Hello students, I am Archana. So today in this session we are going to study a very interesting poem. Okay, so first of all let me show you one thing. What is this? ये क्या है? This is a polythene bag. You all are aware of this figure, rectangular in shape, white in color. You are seeing this, fine. But can you relate this polythene bag with human relations emotions? Can you relate this polythene bag with you? I don't think so. But here the poet Durga Prasad Panda had used this polythene bag metaphorically. Fine. So it is a polythene bag. When we touch it, it produces some squeaky noise. Fine. When we burn it, it exudes a pungent smell, a very, poisonous smell. And when we leave it itself, it pollutes the environment. Fine. So this is the practical thing we all are aware of. Fine. So हमें ये देखना है, we have to figure out that how it is related with the human emotions. This is the big question here. Fine. So come on, let's introduce this polythene bag with some secret concept behind it. And I must tell you that there is some important burning issue associated with this polythene bag. Okay. So come on, let's begin this session. Let me introduce you the outline of the session. As you all are aware of the pattern, that we will start with the introduction, and in the introduction we will deal with poet, title and the few concepts for the better understanding of the text. Fine. And we move on to the theme of the poem, then we will move on to the composition. We will figure out, earlier we had practiced the letter writing, today we are going to do something different from that, and the questions and answer section, the most important, okay, and the conclusion. So come on, let's start with the introduction part. Let me introduce you this term. What do you mean by metaphors? Why I am introducing this term? मैं इसे starting में क्यों बता रही हूँ? Because we had discussed about polythene bag. From the beginning of the session we had started with the polythene bag, and we have to figure out how the poet had used such an object, such a mundane like thing that is usual to relate with the human relations and human emotions. We have to check it out. This is going to be very interesting, I am telling you. Okay, so please follow me. Now metaphors, it is a figure of speech which makes an implicit, implied or hidden comparison between two things that are unrelated but share some common characteristics. ठीक है, तो ये एक फिगर ऑफ स्पीच है. फिगर ऑफ स्पीच क्या होता है? जिसके थ्रू हम लोग डिफरेंट, ये एक डिवाइस होता है, जैसे कि टूल्स होता है ना किसी साइंस का, जिसके थ्रू हमको एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं, डिफरेंट टेक्निकल थिंग्स होते हैं. उसी तरह से व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अ पीस ऑफ लिटरेचर, वी नीड सम सर्टेन टूल्स. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई I have introduced this term figure of speech here. So you have to know these terms over here so that you can better understand the poem. Fine. Now it is a figure of speech which makes an implicit, implied or hidden comparison. You don't know exactly how it is compared because both the things, two things are unrelated. उसमें कोई तालमेल नहीं है. But we compared. Why? Because share some common characteristics. Now see how the characteristics of a polythene bag, इनकी कुछ बातें मानव इमोशन से, हमसे कैसे जुड़ सकती हैं. ठीक है, ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. Now अब मेटाफर्स का एग्जाम्पल मैंने बताया था पहले भी, द स्काई इज एन एग. अब ये हमारा आसमान है, हाउ इट इज सीम्स लाइक एन एग. तो ये इस तरह की बातें हैं, बट समवेयर स्काई का जो कोई और या छोर नहीं होता, इट डजेंट हैव एनी बाउंड्रीज। इन द सेम वे एग भी ओवल शेप का होता है जिसका कोई एंड और स्टार्ट नहीं होता है, ठीक है। तो इसी वजह से हमने कुछ कॉमन हुआ तो उसे मेटाफोरिकली कंपेयर कर दिया। ये बहुत ही फेमस पोएट मनी राव के द्वारा लिखा गया है। शी इज़ अ इंडियन वुमेन पोएट, इंडियन इंग्लिश पोएट, और उन्होंने ही ये लाइन लिखा था अपने कलेक्शन में, ठीक है। तो मैंने उनका एग्जाम्पल आपको दे दिया है। नाउ हियर माई ब्रदर वॉज बॉइलिंग मैड। मेरा भाई जो है वो आग बबूला हो रहा था, ही वॉज टर्निंग मैड, मीन्स ही वॉज वेरी एंग्री। तो आपको ये समझना होगा, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट बॉइलिंग मैड इट मीन्स ही वॉज एंग्री, वो गुस्सा था। इस तरह से हम लोग हिडन वे में बातें बोल देते हैं और वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड। तो सच काइंड ऑफ अ यूज ऑफ वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड मेटाफर्स। फाइन, नाउ let me introduce you some information about the, let me discuss some information about the poet Durga Prasad Panda. He occupies a prominent position in Oriya literature, but he had not only done in Oriya literature, he also translates his Oriya poetry from Oriya to English. Fine, and his famous works are Swarani and Rays. Okay. Now, the most important, the title part. Polythene bag. You never think that polythene bag could be a title of a poem. So that's why from the beginning of the session I am telling that this is very interesting. Now, in the present poem Polythene Bag, he touches on the pressing issue of polythene bag. Pressing means the very urgent, that cannot be avoided, ठीक है। So in the present poem he touches on the pressing issue of polythene bag and the evil consequences it has on environment. इसका environment पे क्या evil consequences पड़ता है, गलत प्रभाव पड़ता है, उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे। And the most important, the strength of the poem. The strength of the poem is the correlation between human emotions and a mundane thing. Mundane means, what do you mean by mundane? Mundane means usual thing like a polythene bag. Now we have understood the the tools which is applied here, the metaphors, how it is correlated with each other, and we are have the thing in mind that we have to compare two things like the human emotions and the polythene bag. So how can we compare emotional things with a object? Okay, so it is the biggest question here, and we had discussed about the theme, we had discussed about the writer. Now we had done with the introduction part. Okay, so come on, let's go to the complete analysis of the poem.